Shalom and welcome back to Hebrew with Ben. In this lesson, we are going to be talking about the Chataf Segol Nikud sign. This will be the third and last Chataf Nikud sign in this course. Chataf Segol is represented by 5 dots underneath the letter. It consists of Segol and a Shva on its right side. Similar to Chataf Patach and Chataf Kamatz, you will usually see Chataf Segol decorating the letters Aleph, Chet, He, and Ain. This behavior exists in all Chataf type Nikud signs. Let's see the Nikud on a word. The word on the screen is Ne'elam. Ne'elam. The first letter is Nun and decorated with Segol, which is the Nikud sign from the previous lesson. It creates the syllable Ne. The second letter is Ain and decorated with Chataf Segol. It creates the syllable Ae. Lastly, we have the letters Lamed and Mem. The letter Lamed is decorated with Patach. Together, they create the syllable Lam. The next word is Le'esof. The first letter is Lamed and decorated with Segol. Next, we have Aleph and Chataf Segol. Lastly, the syllable Sof is created by the letters Samech and Pe Sofit. The Nikud sign decorating the letter Samech is Cholam Chaser. To summarize, we learned that Chataf Segol indicates the vowel E. Here is a table with all 3 Chataf Nikud signs and the vowels they indicate. As explained before, the Chataf sign will usually appear on a guttural letter. That is all for today. In the next lesson, I will show you the Tzere Nikud signs. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson.